Hello guys, how are you all? So we are back with one more addition to the Byjus list. Byjus has sent me this parcel only in the morning today, so I'm going to open it in front of you all. So let's get in. Oh, let's see what is inside. Good hard packing. Here it is. Some paper is there, bag is there. Let's open them one by one. Okay, so here is a paper envelope. Oh, okay, it's an envelope. What's inside? So it's a welcome letter from Byjus. Welcome to Byjus. Today you are officially start your journey as Byjus, and we are very excited. So they are sending the welcome letter. Okay, keep it aside. What else is there? Oh, here is an iCard. Here you can see. Okay, so let's keep this aside. What else? It says no plastic, fantastic. It is a jute bag with Byjus branding. Okay, it is a jute bag with Byjus branding, and something is inside. It's heavy. I think something is inside the bag. Let's open it. There is a diary from Byjus. Learn, unlearn, and relearn. Okay, diary. You can see good quality diary. Okay, keep it aside here. And here is another thing. What is this? Proud Byjus. Oh, and these are some brooches, I mean to say. Life at Byjus. Okay, so good, very good, nice quality. Keep them as it is. Something. There's an iCard holder. Okay, good. So meanwhile, I'm giving an information to you. We are about to finish our training as academic specialist. So what is this? This is I think this might be a pen. Yeah, this is a pen. It's not a plastic pen. It's writing. So I think this is made up of some cardboard or paper, hard paper. Okay, so we are keeping it aside. Here we go. What else is there? What is this? Let's open it. Oh my god, hard packing. It is, oh wow, it is a mug. Oh wow, it's a mug. Cup with Byjus branding, Byjus the learning app. Nice, good one. Thank you Byjus for sending me such a precious goodies. And what else is in? Nothing. So it is a jute bag, not plastic. No plastic, fantastic. That's an excellent initiative. No plastics. So keeping it aside, what else is here? Here is a bag. Wow, nice quality. A bag is here. A backpack actually. Okay. Here is Byjus branding. With Byjus branding. Quality is good, excellent. You can carry your laptop, you can carry your notebooks, you can carry your books along with you whenever you get to go out of your outside. You can carry. Quality is good. Okay, it has some separate pouch for keeping pens, and the calculator might be, and something is there. This is a warranty card from the company that has manufactured that made the bag. So that's it. We have a backpack, we have a jute bag, we have a pen, we have a card holder, we have some brooches, we have a diary, and a mug is there. Okay, and we have an iCard, and we have a welcome letter. Okay, that's it. That's all they have sent me by now, and I'll be receiving my asset like laptop, and this is called a welcome kit. Okay, this is just a welcome to you in the company, and they are going to send me some assets like laptops and some routers and headphones and whatever is required for teaching online. So they are providing me, and for you, I'll be meeting you in next video with some insights about training, what else we have done in the training, and how it is divided into different modules. Okay, so how you can what is training all about, and is it manageable, I mean to say, or is it hectic, and all that will be discussed in the next video. Okay, then till then, keep sharing, keep loving, keep subscribing, and keep your questions, put your questions in comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer all your queries about BYJU'S. Okay, bye bye, have a good time, bye.